doing, friends? Who is this man? What are you doing here?
He is Professor J. Shankar sir.
J. Shankar sir? Who is J. Shankar sir? And what is special about him?
J. Shankar sir is a great social activist
And also the idea maker of Telangana. Idea maker of Telangana? What did he do for Telangana? He started fighting for Telangana from 1952. He was just a student then and he dedicated whole life for Telangana.
Also, he achieved so many noble positions in life.
In the memory of J. Shankar sir, Agriculture University named after him.
Also, J. Shankar Bhupalapalli district named after him.
He made so many personal sacrifices to Telangana.
He never married and fought for Telangana in his entire life.
He is a great personality. Yes, he is a great personality and today is his birthday. Really, we must remember his sacrifice.
Jai Telangana! Jai Jai Shankar!
Telangana, Jai Jai Telangana.